Hi everyone, welcome to this very special 30th episode of Ask Madhav. My name is Ayushi Singh, and to answer all your user queries, we have the VP of Realme and President of Realme International Business Group, Madhav Sheth. So Madhav, how are you? And we have now completed 30 episodes of Ask Madhav. How do you feel about it?
I think it's been a pretty exciting journey, and I really thank the fans for continuous support. It's been 3 years, 30th episode, at the same time more than 3 million fans. So it's a pretty exciting journey for us.
That's great to hear. So for this very special 30th episodes, we have actually listed down 30 questions from the fan today. So let's get started with the first questions. Can you share the first launch information starting next year? Fans are eagerly waiting for it.
It's a pretty interesting question. Let me just say, it's time to add a new member to our number series. We have seen you all budding with anticipation regarding the Realme 9 series, and you will see more details on the same very soon. Stay tuned.
Can't wait for it. So the next question is, when can we expect Realme 9 series? Can you share something about it?
Even we can't wait. The Realme team and I are working on making the first 2 months of the year exciting for all of you. You guys won't be disappointed for sure.
That's good to hear. Next question. Can we see a Realme flagship that not only focuses on performance but also camera?
Do you really mean OS? We are all set to take yet another leap in terms of camera with our upcoming flagship devices. I'm sure you guys will love it.
Can we see DRE, Dynamic RAM Expansion, in more upcoming devices?
Yes, Realme's innovative dynamic RAM expansion technology lets our users convert a portion of their internal storage into additional RAM for enhanced productivity. We have seen some users demanding DRE, and you shall see it in our upcoming products.
That's good to hear. Next question. In your opinion, how important is optical image stabilization in a camera?
OIS, optical image stabilization, is a technology that massively upgrades the abilities of the smartphone camera, but has generally been limited to the flagships only. We do believe it is one of those things that might be difficult for the layman to understand through the specs, but contributes to the user experience in a massive way.
Thank you for sharing this info. Can we expect budget devices from Realme with 90Hz AMOLED display?
We do have plans for this. Keep checking our social media accounts and community to keep yourself updated with the latest Realme news.
What are the products Realme is going to launch under Realme Tech Life ecosystem?
Realme will provide products in the smartphone, smart TVs, wearables, TWS, tablets, laptops, whereas the Realme Tech Life product portfolio will include Smart Life, Smart Care, Smart Entertainment and Smart Connect.
So many products, can't wait for it. Next question. Can you tell us about Realme Tech Life Zone event that recently took place?
It's an offline experience zone of Realme Tech Life ecosystem aiming to bring a connected experience to media and fans. We have set up a space in the smart home showcasing the smart products from the Realme to let everyone get close to the smart, connected and trendy lifestyle. Brought by Realme is just our version of showcasing how a regular house can be turned into a smart home with Realme Tech Life ecosystem.
That's amazing. Next question. We have seen the Realme Tech Life portfolio grow immensely since the last 2 years. What is the plan for 2022?
Realme Tech Life will keep focusing on the 3 major needs of the users: Smart Life Care, Smart Entertainment and Smart Connect, creating a comprehensive product portfolio with trend-setting designs, good value and fine quality. This coming year, we aim to venture into more than 15 plus new product categories, including something that will help you commute smartly and efficiently. I'm pretty excited for the upcoming Tech Life launches, and I hope you guys are too.
I'm sure fans would be excited to hear this. Why is smartphone included in Realme Tech Life ecosystem?
The ecosystem consists of both Realme and Realme Tech Life products. It is more like a big concept where we are trying to create a connected world. But here, smartphones will be the center of the ecosystem in order to make every Realme product connected.
So before we move on to further questions, we have a special surprise for you. We have got some fans who want to ask you some questions. So are you ready for it?
Sure.
When can we expect offline fan meets and launch events again?
Sooner than you guys expect. Can't wait to meet all of you fans and make new memories together, just like the old days.
Which is your favorite feature in Realme UI 3.2?
I love the advanced personalization that completely changes the experience of the phone. But more importantly, the privacy features, and that is always our top priority. With Realme UI 3.0, we have added enhanced air permissions control, approximate locations, and more to always ensure that your data privacy is under your control.
What is Realme TechLife ecosystem?
It's our take to create a smart, connected, and trendy lifestyle for the youth. Realme TechLife ecosystem is a technology products ecosystem and also a business collaboration network to realize the intelligent interconnection of all categories. Our vision is to create technology that empowers life, built by the 1+5+T strategy. I am sure you must be already aware of this. Realme was recently awarded India's most trusted technology brand. So we are already on the right track with creating an ecosystem, trend-setting designs, good value, and the fine quality.
Realme community just turned 3. Can you please share a few words with us?
It feels amazing to see our community grow so much over the past 3 years. It gives me immense happiness to see all of you being so passionate about Realme. We have seen such amazing work from you guys on Madhav's Tech Squad, virtual fan meets, unboxing reviews, and so much more. You guys are definitely the most talented and the creative people I have ever come across. So please keep supporting us.
What is your vision for the Realme community?
We started Realme community with a simple vision to create a platform for all the like-minded people and for the users to bond over mutual interest. Not only limited to Realme products or technology, Realme community is a platform for all of our talented fans to explore, whether you are interested in gaming, traveling, or even content writing. We plan to make this platform bigger and better with additional features and sections for all of you, whether Realme fans to explore and have more fun at the community. We also plan to make separate section for our GT fans so they can experience something which is greater than ever before.
So that was fun. Let's move on to the questions now. Can we expect a new laptop from Realme next year?
For sure. After the success of Realme Book Slim, which was not only loved by our audiences but also won Laptop of the Year award at the Jagran High Tech Awards, we will be bringing more this year. You guys are in for a treat.
Can't wait for that. Next question. When can we expect a Realme smartphone with the next Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 chipset in India?
Realme GT2 Pro, our first and the most premium flagship, will feature the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 chipset. Stay tuned on our community and social handles for more updates on this.
Is there a possibility that Realme will launch any foldable smartphones?
We don't have any concrete plans on this yet, but never say never.
You are now the VP of Realme and President of Realme International Business Group. Congratulations. How has your journey been from India to now the world?
When I started my journey with Realme India, I had full faith that Realme will be well accepted by the Indians. My efforts are dedicated to repeat Realme's India's success globally. I am confident of taking my experience from India and Europe to the countries around the globe like Latin America, Southeast Asia. Can't wait to achieve more groundbreaking milestones with Realme India as well as globally.
That's great. Can't wait to see that. Next question. Realme is now among the world's top 6 brand. How do you feel about this?
Wherever we are today, it's all because of you guys. Our dare to leap attitude and conviction of establishing a user-friendly, smart ecosystem has led us to become the youngest smartphone brand to be in the top 6 globally. Thank you so much for the immense support.
Moving on to the next question. What do you believe is the biggest strength of Realme right now?
Our tech, trend-setting technology, our passionate Realme team, and all of you Realme fans. Apart from this, I think Realme's adaptability as per the ever-changing technological advancements is for sure one of our greatest strengths. Currently, Realme's 40% smartphone portfolio includes 5G-enabled devices. But for the coming year, we aim to further democratize and lead the 5G world. I am happy to announce that more than half of the Realme smartphone will be 5G enabled. So let's take a leap to the 5G together.
That's great news. Moving on to the next question. When can we expect a Realme smartphone with eSIM support?
Currently, eSIM support and adoption in India is pretty limited. That being said, we are always closely monitoring the market changes and will be open in case the demand grows.
Since there hasn't been any big launches lately, is there any big surprise coming?
We have the 9 series, GT2 series and the various other products under the Realme Tech Life ecosystem under pipeline in the coming months. Wish I could say more.
I'm sure fans can't wait anymore. Any plans to open more offline stores?
Realme's exclusive stores are a key part of our growth strategy, and we have just hit a double century by launching 200 Realme exclusive stores across India. We aim to increase our offline presence to 1000 plus exclusive stores by the end of the next year.
That's amazing. Next question. We recently had a Realme GT2 series global special event. Do you wish to throw some light on the upcoming flagship Realme GT2 Pro?
The Realme GT2 Pro is a high-end flagship phone exclusively designed for the next generation. It features industry-leading innovations and a state-of-art designs to assure top-tier experiences all around. Apart from Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 series that you guys are already well aware of it, Realme GT2 Pro will feature the world's first ultra-wideband hyper-smart antenna switching technology, a Wi-Fi enhancer and an advanced 360-degree NFC technology for a smarter connectivity and a more convenient life.
That's so good to hear. Can't wait for it anymore. Next question. We have seen you travel a lot lately. Any new plans for Realme India and global?
Definitely, to add more Realme ears, more choices for the users, more exciting activities and more healthier competition.
That's exciting to know. Next question. As per CMR Connected Consumer Survey 2021, Realme is the most trusted smartphone brand in India. How do you feel about this?
Such a proud feeling and a great achievement. Trust and support from our users is exactly what keeps us going.
That's good to hear. Next question. We love seeing you performing the Dare to Leap skydiving and drifting challenge, and we can't wait to see more. So what is the next challenge going to be?
Well, I'm not afraid of it, but I can't disclose any details yet. It's going to be yet another crazy and a fun Dare to Leap challenge. Let me just say it's going to be especially exciting for the fans. I'm sure you all will love it.
We can't wait. Next question. Since the year 2021 is about to end, what has been your best moment of the year so far?
So many amazing memories this year. It's really hard to narrow it down. From reaching 100 million sales to being among the world's top 6 smartphone brands, Realme's second position in the India smartphone shipment share for October, and seeing the brand grow at such a fast pace. 2021 has been really amazing year. My interactions with the fans, especially during the virtual fan meets, have been quite memorable. I'm so excited to see what the coming year holds for us. Cheers to 2021.
So the last question for the day, what are your expectations for the year 2022?
We definitely have bigger goals and aspirations for 2022. Just to name a few, Realme, being India's #1 smartphone brand, tops my bucket list for the year. We'll definitely launch some trend-setting and disruptive products across all categories, giving you a flagship experience like never before. I wish to see you guys enjoy it as much as we enjoy curating it for all of you. Let's dare to go beyond and be greater than everyone out there.
So that's it for the day. So this is the last episode for the year 2021. Do you want to say something to the fans?
Yes, definitely. Wish you all guys a very, very happy new year and a very Merry Christmas.
So I hope all your queries are answered. If not, you can head over to Realme community and simply
Ask Madhav.